Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change ringtone on iPhone. So whether your iPhone is on iOS 18 or earlier or later, then this video is going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to change your iPhone ringtone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change ringtone on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and haptics. Then once you click on sounds and haptics, under sounds and haptics, locate ringtone and then click on that. Then if you scroll down, you have access to different ringtone you can change to, including classic. Then once you've selected your choice of ringtone here, you can just come here and hit the back button. However, if you have created a sound for your ringtone, just come here and select the song you want to use and set as your ringtone on your iPhone. However, I always prefer to go with the default ringtone. So if your iPhone is not set to the default ringtone, you want to use the default ringtone on your iPhone, just come here and select the default. Then hit the back button and that is it. So that is basically how to change ringtone on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.